What's up, guys? Welcome to the Crypto Elephant. My name is Carlos, and today we're going to talk about setting up your Metamask crypto wallet with your computer. So I like to use Brave browser. Brave browser is an internet browser that runs on the code from Chrome, Google Chrome. I'm sure a lot of people have heard of that one. So this uses the code, but it has a little more features to it. And it's also, you earn crypto by using this browser. So I like to use it a lot. Chrome is definitely my favorite, but after I learned about this browser, it's just a no-brainer. It's already a specific Chrome crypto browser. You get paid crypto called BAT, which is basic attention tokens, just for using it. So that's something you could do some research about later on. Research the Brave browser. Right here I have a fresh copy of it. The only thing I have on here are my bookmarks that I copied over earlier because I want to have the correct addresses and I don't want to be searching on Google for random websites. You never want to search on Google for websites because a lot of people do, there's a lot of scam sites, and then people can make a website, make it look very similar, maybe change one letter in the address, and you wouldn't even know it. It looks so similar that most people fail to notice it's a fake one. And they can also pay to make it show up at the top of the Google searches. So just always make sure to research before you click on any website. All right, so we're starting with a fresh copy. First thing I'm going to do is go to the MetaMask website. I know the website is metamask.io, so I'm going to go to that one. It takes you to the MetaMask website, and we're going to click on Download Now. The bottom right here says Install MetaMask for Brave, so we're going to click on there. It takes us to the Google Chrome web store because, like I said, this is running on the Google Chrome software. So we're going to add to Brave. It recognizes that it's Brave as well, so now we're adding this to Brave. We're going to let it download. Might take like a minute or so, depending on your internet connection. There we go. Adding to Brave. And it's done. So it says MetaMask has been added to Brave, and you see it's up here in the top right corner. So I'm going to hit X. All right, now you got this little cool animation. The fox just follows your mouse pad. We're going to get started. When you start, you have two options. You have import wallet and you have create a wallet. Import wallet is if you already have a wallet created. So you already have your 12-word passphrase. You're going to read about this information here on the screen. Help us improve MetaMask. I always click no because I don't like people collecting my information. But if you already have a wallet, this is where you would type in your password phrase. I'm just going to say a couple of words for example, but it would be 12 words. You put in a password and then you're in. But we're going to actually create a new wallet here on this video. So we're going to do create wallet. I went back, hit create wallet. Same thing. It asks you if you want to send info and they want to, help us improve MetaMask, which I normally don't do that. So I just click no thanks. Now it's asking you to create a password. This password is not to be able to get back into your wallet and get all your crypto. This password is just for your computer to be able to get into MetaMask. So I'm gonna put one here. And then you click that I agree. Then you hit create. Now this is the most important part of creating the crypto wallet. I recommend you watch this little video. It's only a minute 35 seconds. Great video explaining what's important about keeping your passphrase. So what is a secret recovery phrase? Your secret recovery phrase is a 12-word phrase that is the master key to your wallet and your funds. How do I save my secret recovery phrase? Save in a password manager, store in a bank vault, or store in a safe deposit box, or write down and store in multiple secret places. So the first one that says save in a password manager, I don't recommend you do that because if somebody were to hack into your password manager app, then they'll have access to all your passwords and have access to your 12 words. And most people know now that these 12 words are connected to crypto wallets. So I don't like that option. Now, storing in a bank vault, that's a good option for sure. Storing in your safety deposit box if you have one at home, put that in there, that's good too. I like to write it down and store in multiple secret places. For example, I keep a copy with me in my van, hidden when nobody knows where it's at, and I keep another one in a different location, because let's say someone were to steal my van, or let's say the van catches on fire or something, and I have the only copy I have is in my van, then I just lost all my information. I don't have it. But if something were to happen to my van, it gets stolen or something, then I can just go to where I have my other passphrase saved, pull that out of my records, and then I'm good. So that's just a couple places where you should store your passphrase. And now it says, should I share my secret recovery phrase? Never. Never ever share your secret recovery phrase, not even with Metamask. If someone asks you for your recovery phrase, they are likely trying to scam and steal your wallet funds. So, for example, once you start getting into crypto, you're probably going to join some Discord and Telegram groups. As soon as you ask a question in there about crypto or wallets, you're going to get messages from random people saying that they can help you, saying that they're Metamask Tech support, saying that they work with a certain company and they're going to help you. I'll guarantee you that it's a scam. Never give your passphrase to anybody. So now that we got that out of the way, most important, don't give your 12 words to anybody, and make sure you have at least 2 copies somewhere. All right, so now we're going to hit next. And this is where you're actually going to see the recovery phrase. So it says, your secret recovery phrase makes it easy to back up and restore your account. Warning, never disclose your secret recovery phrase. Anyone with this phrase can take your Ether forever. So I'm going to click on it, and now it's going to show me this phrase. I'm going to write them down because that's what I like to do. Take your time writing it down. You don't want to miss one letter. Sometimes they're very similar, and one word can be a difference, and you might not be able to get in it if you're sitting here rushing, typing it in, or writing it out really fast. So I'm going to do this. And don't worry guys, this is just a burner wallet, so I'm just going to wipe it clean. So if you guys try to go look at this wallet later, it won't have anything in it. So now that we wrote them down, we hit next. Well, here's some tips. It says store this passphrase in a password. I don't like that. Okay. Write the phrase in a piece of paper and store in a secure location. If you want more security, write it down on multiple pieces of paper and store each in 3 different locations. Or you can memorize this phrase. That's definitely going to be the best way. If you can memorize these 12 words, then you're good to go. But what if you forget them? So I like to write them down. So I'm going to hit next. And now it's going to ask me to confirm your secret recovery phrase. So we have to put them in the same order. So we hit confirm. Congratulations, you passed the test. Keep your secret recovery phrase safe is your responsibility. Same thing. Don't give this to anybody. No one's trying to help you with it. They're usually just trying to steal your money. All right, so now we're into our home screen with our wallet. MetaMask comes set up already for Ethereum blockchain. So if you see right here in the top corner, it says Ethereum mainnet. You don't have anything else in there. You can start using Ethereum right away, of course. But what we're going to do is we're going to add a couple other blockchains to the wallet so we can trade on different things. Another thing I'm going to show you is where it shows up, where it's actually hidden. So if you come to the right corner up here, you got this little like puzzle piece. If you click on it, you got MetaMask right there. And if you click on this little pin head here, it'll actually pin it to your home screen here. So I'm going to close these other tabs because we don't need them anymore. I'll leave the MetaMask one open, that's fine. But I'm going to open up a new tab and add our new blockchain. So if this is something that you're interested, make sure you give us a follow on all our social media. We're going to have a Twitter, we have an Instagram, and our YouTube channel, of course. Remember to like, to follow, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends so that more people can learn about this great industry of cryptocurrency.